decided to finally hire a trainer. You've been failing all these tests. Let's get going, brother.
You're out of training.
Lift up those.
Lift them up?
Yeah. Come on.
Higher?
Let's go. Do some bicep curls. Bicep curls.
Really?
All right.
Really?
Straight out. Straight out. Straight out. We gotta work harder than that, Mike.
I got it.
Put him down. We're moving on.
All right.
Flip the tire. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Woo! All right. Run. Run. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Quicker. Quicker. You're never gonna make it, kid. Get back down here right now. Let's go. Are you kidding me? Do you want to be a champion?
I just want to look good for the girl.
Woo! Mike, do you want to win Corvette trivia?
Yes.
This is the book. These are the bins. Figure it out. Go. Go. Let's go. Are you kidding me,
I
kid?
ain't tall enough.
Well, get something else to stand on, kid.
Jeez.
Are you figuring it out?
There's too many pages.
You gotta put the time in, kid.
Oh, why are they all stuck together? Crazy. I guess I'm going to be better next week with the book.
I hope you are.
I know.
That's why we're training you.
Book, Corvette book. Black book. Wow.
All right, we got more work to do. Okay. Are you ready? Let's lift it up. Lift it up. Let's go. Let's go. Quicker. Quicker, faster, stronger. You're never going to win. You got to train harder. You got to train harder. Woo. Come on, Mike. Get stronger. Get stronger. Get faster. You can do it. Come on. Don't you want to win that $100 for your girl? Take her out on a nice date? Buy her some meatloaf? Buy her some meatloaf? Where's the meatloaf? Where's the meatloaf?
Oh my God. God, am I done?
I think he's almost ready.
All right, guys, we're back for another episode of Corvette Trivia with Mike.
Yeah, I'm Mike, of course.
Mike, I heard you've been studying up on this stuff and even hired a trainer. Is that correct?
No, you heard nothing. No.
They were all lies?
All lies.
Okay. Well,
What do you got?
if they're lies, then
We'll lose.
we'll see. If you've been training, maybe you can win this $100 bill. Are you ready?
It matters how many you got to get right.
You have to get 3 correct.
How many questions are there?
3 questions.
Yeah, we'd be better off with 10.
All right, guys. I'm going to give him an easy one to start off.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, do I need all 3?
Yes, you need.
3 out of 10?
In order to get this $100
That's about what I
bill,
averaged in school, 3 out of 10.
in order to win this $100 bill, you have to answer correct all 3 out of 3. Just to be clear, we're not doing no splits or
Didn't I win last
thirds or anything like that. Are you ready for question number 1 yet? Yes or no?
week? I'm trying to zoom in. Yeah, I guess so.
All right, easy question. 1997 was the first year of the C5 Corvette.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes.
And it debuted a new engine. A new groundbreaking engine. What was that engine?
The 5.7, the LS 5.7.
Yep. What?
What? What?
Correct. But what was the
What
the code for it?
do you mean the code?
What was the engine code of the 5.7?
It had a code? LS
LS what?
5.7
You're so close. LS.
Oh, LS1.
Yes.
No.
You got one right, guys. Guys, he's 1 for 1 today.
Yeah, no more questions.
I'm kind of getting worried about this thing, this $100 bill now. So, let's see if you can go for 2 here. I'm going to give you a little slightly harder question on this one.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah. I got one right.
What was the engine that came in the C5 Z06, which debuted in 2001?
C5. 2001?
2001, this engine came out in the C5 Corvette.
Shit. LS.
Hint, there's a hint here.
Oh, okay. Let's wait.
The hint is it is also a 5.7 liter, but it is not an LS1.
It's also a 5.7?
Yes,
But it ain't an LS1.
correct. What do you think?
And in what year?
2001 it came out. In the Z06.
It's a 5.3.
No, 5.7.
Oh.
We need an answer.
6.0, I guess.
We need an answer.
I
It's a
don't know.
5.7.
5.7.
Yes.
Was it what? Supercharged or something?
No, it was not. It was not supercharged.
So
You got 3 seconds to
I don't
answer.
understand. 5.7.
LS what?
Oh, LS3. Or a 2.
There goes the 100.
Gone.
Correct answer, LS6. Debuted in
Oh.
2001 in the Z06 Corvette. Do you want the third question just to have it? Or
You don't want to
Yeah.
hang on. Yeah, just in case you screw up and you
okay.
give me it again the next time.
All right, let's give you a little harder question here. So people refer to the C2 Corvette as the mid-year Corvettes.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell me what years the C2 mid-year Corvettes were produced?
C2.
Tell me the year range, please.
63.
He got one? He's correct on that.
Yeah.
You're correct on the beginning. What's the end?
67.
Yes, he did. He got him.
Did?
He
I
got
got-
2 out of 3 today. Oh my God,
Holy
your training must have paid off.
Yeah,
I can't believe it.
I do.
Well, you know what?
Okay,
You're still one short, buddy.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Maybe next time you can win that money.
No, I can.
Until next week, this is the end of Corvette Trivia with Mike. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And watch all our new videos coming out in the future. Thank you.
Like you had anything to say? Anything?
Nah, I don't got a lot
I mean,
to say.
one small step closer.
Yeah, 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Slow and steady wins the race, right?
Yeah, well, that's better than I did in school. That's what? At least a 70. I'll take that.
You're
66.
You're definitely more of a tortoise than a hare, buddy.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Are you kidding me, kid? You're such a disappointment.
Get back.